Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today what I'm going to be showing you is a quick test and overall, I guess just a general review of the Klein Tools 1/4 inch impact driver. It is brushless. Please forgive the audio. I'm doing a voiceover on this first part. The audio got corrupted, but pretty much we're just going to go over a quick test using some paddle bits, an auger bit, and some general screws for a wood construction area. Right here you're gonna see I have some Diablo, what are these, spade bits, paddle bits, whatever you want to call them, a Greenlee 3/4 inch auger bit, 3-inch 1/4 inch thick lag screws, some 2.5 inch long drywall screws, and some 3-inch long wood screws. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Real quick, I just want to say, might be a little awkward. There might be some vibration. I'm using 2x4 to hold up the phone, but hopefully you guys can get the idea of how it works. Oops, my bad. We'll start off with the drywall screws first, and then we'll move on over to the wood screws. Go ahead and do this last drywall screw. All right, now on to some of the wood screws. This herder board. We'll do 2 holes for each paddle bit, and then we'll go from there. 1 hole here, 1 hole over here on the herder board, just so you guys can see how well it goes. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but there's a knot right here, but I'll try to stay clear of that. And there's a couple holes, I'll stay clear of the holes though. There's a knot on the other side of this one. But that was 1/2 inch. Now 3/4. Not really pushing down, just, you know, have my hand up there, comfortable that way, but go ahead and do it right here. Or actually, I think this might be the harder board. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch up the camera view just because I feel like this will be a lot easier for you guys to see, and I won't have to worry about the phone falling. But here we go. This one, we'll go ahead and do one right here. All right, so that was a 3/4 bit that we just got done with. This guy right here. Now we're gonna move on to a, if it'll focus, a 1-inch paddle bit. We'll do one right here, one up here, then, I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. First, let's start off on the harder piece of wood. Softer one. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, now really quick, just to finish it off, we're going to go ahead and use the auger bit. It is a 3/4 inch size. Yeah, I'll do 2 holes on this board and just 1 on here. Or actually I'll do 2 over here, because since this is a harder wood, but let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so real quick, audio cut off here, but pretty much what I'm just showing you guys is the tear out that would have been caused by the drill using the bits. I know higher speed drills usually have cleaner holes, but yeah, just so you guys can pretty much see what the tear out would look like on the other side of these boards. Alright guys, so that was a quick just demonstration on basic things that you're going to be using pretty much a drill for if you're an electrician. Driving in screws, maybe some lag bolts here and there depending on what you got going on. I'm a commercial electrician, but I do residential on the side, so you know, I deal with wood every now and then. Some spade bits, you know, just the general things that you're going to be using this. I don't think you're going to be running a 1.25 inch paddle bit or anything like that. Unless you are, then good for you. But yeah, one of the main complaints that I will have from Klein is that they do not include a belt hook with the drill. So when you order it by itself, just the tool only, it is just a drill. Does not come with a belt hook. They do have a kit where it comes with 2 batteries, I think, and then like a bag or something. But yeah, another thing that some people might complain about is that they don't have the speed selection, but I mean, it has a variable speed trigger. And I mean, for me, that's a lot better than having to get your drill, fucking move over the whatever speed setting you want. Speed setting right here. And another thing that I don't like that Klein claims is that you have a quick disconnect collet, or quick connect collet. It's not the case. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one hand, so it's kind of weird. All right. Normally, a quick connect, you can just, you know, stick it in, nothing. Doesn't matter how hard you how hard you push, sorry, or if fucking smack this thing against a piece of wood, whatever, the ground, whatever it may be, it's not going to connect. It's not a quick connect collet. You have to manually pull on the collet, insert the bit. Yeah. But pretty much everything else, I love the drill so far. It works pretty good with just like the standard sizes that I use. I don't think I really go over 3/4 inch. Even in the paddle bits, and it can handle that just fine. It handles these auger bits from Greenlee pretty well, or that's the one that I have. I'm not sure if Klein has any. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys are looking to buy one, I do recommend getting it. No, it's not as powerful as the other drills that are on the market, like the Milwaukee Fuel, maybe some of the DeWalt ones or the Makita ones, but it does have 2200 RPM, 210 foot-pounds of torque. And Klein, if you are watching this, I would greatly appreciate if you guys want to sponsor me. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, for me, the main reason why I got this thing is because I'm switching all my hand tools over to Klein. I do have some Klein hand tools, but I saw the drill online and I had to get it. I just have to match my my hand tools to my drill. It's just, you know, just me being nitpicky. But yeah, so far I love it. I'll update you guys with a longevity video, see how long it lasts and stuff like that. I've had it for about 2 weeks already, and yeah. Another quick thing though, Klein did partner up with DeWalt, so you can use DeWalt batteries on this drill. This is just some knockoff one that I ordered because it's orange off of Amazon, but as you can see there, it has the DeWalt battery gauge. But yeah, besides from that, it's a pretty nice drill. Again, hope you guys liked the video. Leave a thumbs up if you did, or not if you don't, or if you don't want to, it doesn't matter. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day.